Friends, right now there is a book in my hands, and friends, this book is written by Guru Gopal Das ji, and I want you to read this book because this book will teach you so many things related to your life, how to live a life full of happiness and with joy. And friends, I have read this book, and this book has taught me so many things. And friends, now I will try to inculcate all those things which I have learned from this book. And friends, I also want you to read this book so that you can also live a life full of happiness and contentment. And I prefer this book to you. And friends, now you might have guessed about that on which topic I am going to speak. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great. And friends, as you already know on which topic I am going to speak. So friends, as you know, my today's topic is reading habit and why we should inculcate this habit of reading in this journey of learning English language in order to become a good communicator. So friends, let me tell you why I want you to inculcate this habit of reading. Friends, earlier I used to think that there is no need to inculcate this habit of reading, and I can learn this language only by listening and speaking, because I used to do only these two things. But earlier I faced different problems while speaking. I used to get stuck. I used to forget words, and sometimes it happens with me, still it happens with me. But earlier I was facing these kind of problems a lot, and I know that no matter what is your level right now, you also face these kind of problems. Sometimes you become the reason of laugh. Okay, sometimes people, they make fun of us because we forget words. Sometimes we just fumble while speaking. Then why? Because we forget that particular word that we have to use in that very situation, in that very time. So what is the solution for this is that we have to embark our journey on our reading habit. We have to inculcate this habit of reading, and I can say this habit will teach you so many things. This book will help you to explore so many things related to your life and this journey as well. And friends, the time since I have inculcated this habit of reading, my journey has become really very easier for me as compared to earlier, because earlier I used to face so many problems while speaking, but now I can't face because I have already embarked on this journey of reading habit. And I now it's time for you to start your journey. And after starting your journey, then you can fail. You can fail, you can experience that thing, that your journey has become so easy. Why I'm saying that thing, that you should inculcate this habit, you should try, you should endeavor this habit of reading. Because friends, while reading, okay, no matter which type of book you read, okay, while reading any kind of book, you come across different words that we don't know, because we are not that much a knowledgeable person. We used to speak our mother tongue, so whatever we know only in our mother tongue. So now we are trying to learn a different language, so we have to learn those books which are really written in that particular language, okay, which we want to learn. And while reading books, you come across different words. You can easily inculcate this habit of using new words while speaking. Then you can feel, you can experience that thing after some time, that now you are not getting stuck while speaking, and your English has been also improved just because of inculcating this habit of reading. Having said that, friends, it's not easy to inculcate this habit of reading habit at once, because earlier I used to think that it's not my cup of tea, I can't read a book. And while reading, I used to feel like I'm feeling sleepy, and it was really very boring. And because of only this reason, people always want to stay away from this habit, because it's really very boring process. So in order to overcome your this problem, okay, you can find your book according to your interest. If you want to if you want your interest, okay, if you feel your interest in read motivational kind of book, then you can read these kind of books. If you are a kind of person who like stories book, then you can read. If you like fictional book, non-fictional book, as per your choice, you can read. There's no one to force you that you have to read only this book. No, I'm not saying you that just go and purchase this book and read this book. No, as per your choice, you can get any book, okay? And even you can read those books, even you can read those children's book who go to school. And there's no need to buy any kind of book. If you can afford, then you can buy. Otherwise, there's no need to buy any other book. There's in their environment, okay, in your environment, in your neighborhood, there are so many children, they go to school. You just go and ask them for for their book, and then you will get and you can read. But you must read even a single page in a day, because only by starting this habit you will solve your problem of getting stuck, and you can easily expand your vocabulary. Friends, without having enough vocab, we always get stuck. We always make lots of mistakes while speaking. So start your journey of reading, okay? Embark your journey and read at least one single page at the very beginning time. You don't need to start your journey from the 10 pages or 15 pages. No, even you don't feel like reading books, then at least read one paragraph, but at least read. You will come across different words, as well as you will also get to know about the sentence structure and the way in which we have to also write, we have to speak. You will get everything only by inculcating this single habit. Because no doubt there are four aspects of learning a language. Learning, reading, writing, speaking. Because now we have grown up and we don't have enough time to learn a language like a child. So we have to put cautious effort. We have to put conscious effort and more than our capability, if you want and if you can. So there's no need to worry about anything. Just start your journey and make your journey easier, especially this learning English language journey. And it seems to you that after some time, it will seem to you that your journey is really very easy and you are not getting stuck. You can express your thoughts in a very good way, and now you are a good speaker. So we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.